Hello everybody. Today I have a video about the pump inspections. Okay. Today we can go to see the pump room and see the inspection sheets. Okay, here is the inspection sheet for the pump inspections. It is the form for the pump inspection for your reference. Okay, at this place you can add for your office or your company location here, and this is the document version, and this is the revisions number for the document. You can keep update for this inspection sheets. And here's the title. We can keep it for pump inspection sheets, and the issue date, the date that you start inspection, and the reference you can keep here for the short forms like PL or something, and the number here it means the plumbing, and the number that you have inspection. And this is the projects. You can keep everything here for the information for the projects, and this is the address, project address, and you can have some note here. Yes. Okay, at this place, this is the information of the form. What is the information for these forms, like the plumbing or plumbing inspection or something? And this is the manufacturer for the form for the machines, like where's the machine, where's the manufacturing from the machine. You can check at the nameplates, and at this point you can keep it for the location of the pump. It is the roof floor or at the second floor, at the any floor that you can check for the actuals. And here's the serial number for the pump, and this is the models. Okay, let's go to the description for the inspection. Here we have for 11 point. That is the main point that you have to check for your quality of your pump. Number one is you need to check the installation or alignment approvals, action approvals. Number two is check the installation pump location action approval. Approval means the approval from the shop drawing, the design shop drawings. And checks the pump fixing special or pump fixing support. You can check here, you can check the pump vibrations. Is it just the correct vibrations like the rubber or the normally we have the rubber and the rings. And number 5, check pump base support anti-vibrations. It is the same. We can check all the basic point appears. And number 6 is check for pump and motor alignments. We need to do the alignment for the pump, and you can do the inspection with the installer, the engineering who respond for the arrangements, and you need to check the spec and the quality of the arrangement as well. And number 7, check for pipe connections arrangement. This is the installation. You can check the piping complies to the shop drawing and the arrangement are acceptable or something. You can check it actuals. Number 9, check the device and accessory as per approvals. I mean, check all the accessory that they are allowed to use, like the wiring. We have to connect to properly. The size of the cable is it follow the capacity of the motor or not. It's small or big. Here you have to check it properly for the accessory and the accessory. All the accessory that we approve for using this type of pump. And number 9, check the drive and pump connection as per approvals. Number 10, check for cleanliness. Number 11, check for free rotation of the impellers. At this point we can use checks by manual by rotating the impeller. Is it working or it's stuck or anything that's not working or working on work abnormals. You can check and complain on this. And basically here the inspection signatures, we can keep it here, and the companies here you can keep it here, and the date for the inspection. And this is the witness, the owner or the inspector here, this place here. Okay, this is the pump inspection sheet. I hope it is useful inspection for somebody who doesn't know about this. Okay, anyway, I also have a video down showing about the pump location with some worker are working on the room. Okay, thank you everyone.